Good Tvach and welcome back to Just 2 Minutes, Just 2 Mishnayos. This Mishnayos in the Nishmas, Freidele Basrachan, the Schutz of Adi Yitzchak ben Gila, and the Frost, Tzira Bas Yuvish, the Frost Shlema. So Maseches Gittin, Perak, Dalad, Mishnah Vav, and Mishnah Zayin. Hamaycher Abda the Goy lechutz la'aretz. If someone sells his slave to a non-Jew, or if he lives in Eretz Yisrael and he sells the slave to someone in Chutz La'aretz, Yotzer ben Chayrin, so he has to free the slave, because now the slave is Jewish, so he's selling him to a place where there's less Torah observance, or if he's selling it to a non-Jew, then there's absolutely none, so he has to free him. In Parnas Ashruin Yotel Kadei Demehen, B'pnei Tikkun, it's a very famous halacha. You're not allowed to free captives for more than their worth, which is over a certain amount, like when it's already outrageous, because then they're just going to go and kidnap people, and that's also the very big controversy behind the shalit deal. And you can't help prisoners escape because of tikkun olam, because then they're going to, because then they'll treat the slaves worse because they're worried that they're going to run away. Rabbi Shimon Gamliel, Rabbi Shimon Gamliel says, no, it's because then they're going to run away, and the whichever captives didn't manage to run away are going to be treated much worse, and there might be like collective punishment. You can't buy svarim or tefillin or mezuzahs from non-Jews for more than they would be worth. Again, because we assume that the non-Jew stole it, and we don't want them to go and steal svarim, mezuzahs, and tefillin. Mishnah Zayin. If someone divorced his wife because there's like hearsay going around that she was mezaneh with someone, mishum neder lo yachzir, so he's not allowed to remarry her afterwards. And also, if he frees her, if he divorces her, because she makes nedarim, so then he's also not allowed to remarry her. Rabbi Yehuda Omer kol neder sheyedu b'rabim lo yachzir v'shelo yadu b'rabim yachzir. If like people didn't really know about this neder, so then he's allowed to remarry her. But if people knew about the neder, then he's not allowed to remarry her. Any neder which we spoke about in Dharm, which needs a Talmud Chacham to like try and find a loophole in it, in that case, then he can't remarry her. But if it's a case where she doesn't need it and he can cancel the neder himself, so then he's allowed to remarry her. Rabbi Elazar says no, that doesn't work, because the whole reason why he's not allowed to remarry her is because we're worried he's going to say, oh, I didn't know when I divorced her that really I could have cancelled it myself, or that I didn't know that I didn't know that I could do it myself, and then I wouldn't have divorced her. There's a story in Sidon where someone said to his wife, meaning I'm not going to have any benefit from you. I'm not going to have any benefit from this certain thing if I don't divorce you. And then he divorced her. And the Chacham said he can remarry her because of tikkun olam, but that's because in that case, if he makes a neder, then he's allowed to remarry her, but if she makes a neder, he's not, in the case that we just discussed, and those are these Mishnayos.